Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect WooCommerce to N8N. Step 1. In WooCommerce settings on WordPress, go to Advanced, then REST API, then click Add Key. Step 2. Give the key a description. Set user permissions to read or write, and click Generate API Key. Step 3. Copy the consumer key and consumer secret shown. Step 4. Open your N8N dashboard and create a new workflow. Step 5. Click Credentials, then Create New, and choose WooCommerce API. Then paste the consumer key and consumer secret and your WooCommerce store URL. Step 6. Add a WooCommerce node in the workflow and select the credentials. Step 7. Choose the operation. For example, get orders, create order, or update product. Step 8. Configure parameters. If get orders, set filters like status or date range. If create order, map input fields. Step 9. Test by clicking Execute node, and verify the data that appears correctly. Step 10. Chain with other nodes. After get orders, add an email node to send order summaries or add a Google Sheets node to log orders automatically. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.